everyone knows about Hillside around this area. If you mention like Hillside to anyone, they'll be like, oh yeah, yeah.
Everywhere you go, Hillside has a great reputation within PG and even other surrounding villages.
Everyone really appreciates the work that we do. They're even very willing to give you lifts, for example, and a lot of them come up to you and kind of thank you.
It's so rewarding to know how much the people appreciate you here.
The access to healthcare that Hillside provides is very important for the people living in Punta Gorda. We offer mobile clinics and we also offer home visits as well, which helps access even more to people that aren't able to get to our clinic.
So for mobiles, you just go on, leave in the morning, travel about 1 hour, 2 hours maybe, go to the clinic. And it depends where you go. Some villages are better off than others.
Different mobiles are set up a little differently. So some mobiles are, you're in a hut and you've got chairs and that's about it. And then some have, proper examination table.
In mobile clinics, the medications are the kind of limiting factor.
You have to kind of prepare for the unexpected. You don't know what you're going to see. It's not like people have appointments. So we bring every medicine that we can think of, but not all of them. So it's really interesting trying to adapt how you treat people based on what you have available.
You really just have to think outside the box. And you have to do that in the States, but when you're here in Belize, it's just a different factor comes in with the whole lack of resources. So you have to kind of include that when you're thinking about all this stuff, and it can be challenging, but at the same time, it's making you a better clinician.
When I was thinking about which elective to go for, I wanted to go somewhere where I could have like full responsibility, like actually do things, because normally in the hospitals, all you do is just follow people on ward rounds, follow people in clinics, you don't actually do anything. But here you get a chance to just practice your own medicine under supervision of a preceptor, and it's just a responsibility. I think it's fantastic.
It's been fun to have somebody that really listens to me and says, yeah, I think if you think that this is what they need, let's go for it, and sort of trusts me to be doing the right thing. It's nice to have that independence a little bit before I graduate in 3 months.
Yeah, you get to do everything. So you take histories, examine patients, prescribe, which is something completely new to me as well.
I think this experience has helped me rely less on the cushy things that we have at home, like the availability of labs or a CAT scan. And it really pushes you to hone in on your physical exam skills and your history.
I think it's probably the best elective experience I could have asked for.
Abby's house is a really, really nice place to live.
I mean, it's just an amazing experience being able to live with other people, experience their thought process on different things.
I really like the sociable environment. So we all kind of cook together, we all kind of do activities together.
I was imagining dormitories, like bunk beds, like cramped conditions, but it's so good. You got huge communal living areas, you got your own bedrooms, you got hot water. Couldn't ask for more really, and it's clean as well. I've never been to Belize before, never even Central America, so it's quite new to me.
You work hard throughout the week, and you get to relax when the day is over. But the first 2 weekends were I can honestly say were two of the most amazing weekends I've ever had. We were on a private island, and we went fishing and we went snorkeling, and I mean, I've never experienced anything. I've never been snorkeling, never been deep sea fishing, so it was a pretty cool weekend.
It's interesting how different Belize is just going 2 hours away. You've got beaches and then this rainforest land. It's been really fun to go on adventures.
It's so rewarding to know how much the people appreciate you here.
The access to healthcare that Hillside provides is very important for the people living in Punta Gorda.
We've had several people in the community tell us what an impact Hillside has had.
When you come here and you have the opportunity to talk to the people in the community and you understand how important Hillside is, then it just makes you feel so much. I mean, it makes you feel so good to know that you're here and you're making a difference in these people's lives. I can leave Belize knowing that I've helped change someone's life. You know, it may be the smallest thing, but I've done something to help change someone's life, and I think that's the most important part about it.
La Bugarite